Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, remember to activate the notification bell, and if you are already a subscriber, ring that notification bell as well to be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm back again with another package from AliExpress. I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what item is hiding inside this package, and I'm gonna let you know my first thought about the item. Without further ado, let's start opening the package. I do have my trusty knife that I also got from AliExpress. I have a video about unboxing this knife. It's the longest video on my channel. Go and check it out. The video is about 1 hour and 40 minutes. In that video I have unboxed a lot of packages from AliExpress. So please go and watch that video. That's also a good way to support me. But anyway, let's get back to this package. So based on the sticker on this package, can you guess what's inside the package before I open it? So if you think you can guess what's inside the package before I open it, pause the video and leave a comment below. And once you've done that, you can press play again and continue watching. So hopefully you guess correctly what's inside this package. But anyway, let's cut it open. Ta-da! Do you see what's inside? It says here, power bank, right here. So it's a power bank that's inside this package. Let's open. Let's take the power bank out of the package itself. So you can see in this on this package it says that I don't know if it charges fast or it charges whatever you want to charge fast. But I'm gonna guess that it charges fast. When the power bank is empty, you can charge it fast. Of course, I'm gonna put that in a test and see whether it charges fast or not. And then it also says here that you are allowed to fly with it. There are writings here that says boarding criteria, and there's a drawing of a plane. So it says that you can travel with it. What else does it say on the package? High quality power bank. And in the back, yes, of course there's a lot of information in the back, but it's covered with all these stickers. All right, so in the power bank, in the package, you get a USB-C. No? Wow, this is not good. So you get a USB, a micro USB. And you get the power bank itself. And the power bank itself, it says 120 watts. So I'm guessing that's the capacity of the power bank, 120 watt. And this thing is misleading. So first of all, there's no brand on this power bank. This power bank is not branded. And as I always said, if you buy something on AliExpress and it's not branded, it doesn't have any brand on it, well, you can be in for you can either be in for a surprise or a treat. But anyway, on the front here it says 120 watts. When you turn it around in the back, so let's turn it around. Maybe you can read what I can say here. So in the back it says power bank capacity 20,000 milliamp hours. And then it says input 20 volt, 6 watt, 20 volt, blah 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 blah. Output 20 watt, 20 volt, 6 ampere, 20 volt. And I guess this output is for the different USBs you have. And then here you have 2 USB A port, 1 micro USB and 1 USB-C. So the power bank came with a micro USB, which means to charge it, you're gonna need to plug a micro USB. And then on the side here, you have the power button. And in the front here, you have a screen. It does just says super fast charge power bank. And what else do we get in? The last thing that's inside the box is the user manual. Is in Chinese and English. Alright, so that's what you get inside the box. So let's power this thing on and see if but before we power it on, the build itself is good, right? There's no gaps, nothing. The build itself is good, like it's well built, and there's nothing moving. There's no moving part. So let's power this on and see if there's any power inside this. Or it's totally flat. It seems to be. It seems like the power bank is totally flat. It has no power. Alright, because the power bank is totally flat, I'm gonna find a USB-C and try to power it and see what happens. So give me 1 sec. So I've got a USB-C cable here. Let's see if I plug the USB-C cable, it's gonna charge the power bank or not. Yes. It is charging the power bank. Which means that you can charge your power bank with the micro USB, but if you already have a USB-C cable, you can also charge it with a USB-C cable. So you have 2 options. Either you can charge it with a micro USB or USB-C. I think I have a cable with a micro USB, and it says it has 81%. I hope you can see it says 81%, but I don't understand why it didn't turn on when I powered it on. But let me find the other cable. I think it's laying around somewhere. All right, this is the micro USB cable. So I'm gonna take the USB-C cable of the power bank, and I'm gonna put the micro USB. And it does exactly the same. It's charging. So you have two options to charge this power bank. You can either charge it with a USB-C or micro USB. Now this power button, what is it used for? So this power button, I don't know why it's there. It's not to any use. Like, look at the screen. I'm pressing the power button. Nothing is happening. Just like earlier I pressed it, nothing happened. So, oh, so what's happening? All right, so maybe, okay, so if you press it on hold, nothing happens. If you press it once, nothing happens either. Press once, it turns on. Press once again, it turns off. Okay, so press twice to turn it off. Press once to turn it on. Why make it so difficult? Just press one, turn it on. Press one, turn it off. Why make it so difficult? But anyway, it came with 81% charge. Let's see. Do I have a phone that's flat so we can test it if it charge? If it charge, let me check if one of my phones are flat. Okay, the Pixel is it has 60%, but it will tell if it's fast charging or not. All right, so just like the other power bank, the big power bank I have, beside charging, but beside using these two ports, the USB-C and USB micro USB to charge the power bank, and the other big power bank I made a video about, it's also on this channel. You can also use those ports to charge something else. So I'm guessing this is also possible with this power bank, that you can use both USB-A to charge something, but you can also use the USB-C and micro USB to charge something, but also to charge the power bank. So let's see if I'm right or not. Press this, put this one here, plug this in the phone. Yes. And I don't know if you saw that, but the phone said that it's charging rapidly, which means this thing charges your phone fast, the power bank. So this fast charge is for charging your phone. Now it could also be that it's also for charging the power bank. So it could mean that the power bank charges fast, and the power bank can charge your phone fast as well. But right now we know that the power bank can charge your phone fast. So I'm gonna try to bring the phone closer so you can see. I'm gonna unplug it, right? And then I'm gonna put this. Is it charged? Yes. You can see it says charging rapidly. So it charges your phone fast as well. It charges your phone fast, so that's a good thing. Now, the other thing to test now is if this power bank really has 2000 hour milliamp, if this power bank have 2000 milliamp hour, right, 120 watt capacity. So that's the thing I need to find out. The other big power bank claimed that he had 60,000 milliamp hour, but he didn't have 60,000. He had about half, right? Because I tested that power bank as well, and it could charge this phone 6 times, and this phone is has 5,100 milliamp hour. This phone is the Pixel 8 Pro, and I could charge it 6 times with that power bank that claimed it had 60,000 milliamp hour. So 6 times is only 30,000 milliamp hour, but it's still good, even though the claim was outrageous. So I'm thinking this one is also. I'm thinking this claim is not true. Right, that's what I'm thinking from the get go. Also because this thing is not branded. So my initial reaction, my initial thought is that this claim that the power bank has 2000 milliamp hour. My initial thought is that is
a bullshit, a bullshit, a bullshit, a bullshit.
So that's my initial thought. But I'm gonna do a video about it and tell you if it really has that capacity or not. Alright, Panda Mate Squad, you've made it this far, and I appreciate you for sticking with me to the very end. Huge thanks. If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up. Got questions or critics? Drop them in the comment below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.